So today I wanted to speak to you about sponsor license registration. It's a really important topic at the moment. Now that Brexit has happened and we're approaching the end of the transition period, it's really important for people and companies especially to know what's going to happen, what the arrangements are going to be for European workers as of the 1st of January 2021, and how a company can apply for a sponsor license to ensure they're able to still continue to employ, especially new entrants to the United Kingdom from Europe, or those that were unable to preserve their status during the transition period. So we've had the sponsor license system for a number of years now, but it only applied to non-EEA national workers. However, from 2021, when the transition period has ended, it will apply to all EU national workers who have not secured their status in the United Kingdom under the EU settlement scheme. So there will be, in effect, two classes of EU workers in the United Kingdom: those who have status under the EU settlement scheme, which the employer must check, and they will be able to work for any employer in the UK without further permission. And then you'll have those who don't have such a settlement status, and they will be subject to the skilled worker regime, which is the new name for Tier 2 work permits, in effect. So it's really important for employers to be aware of that and to know how to identify employees as European nationals, and to understand how the EU settlement scheme system has given status to people and how to check that status, and ultimately to identify when you will need to sponsor under this new skilled worker scheme, and therefore would need to have a license. In my opinion, really, all UK employers should at least register for a sponsor license. It's valid for 4 years, and it will then enable you to sponsor EU nationals, or indeed any other national from around the world who's not a UK citizen, or someone who has permanent residence here. It will enable you to employ them when you need to at any time over the next 4 years.